Hey guys, I'm Kyle. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Microsoft Authenticator app, simple steps. So let's get started. So from here, what we're going to do is once you're here in Microsoft.com and that you have logged in your account, the next thing is to click on the security icon right here on the left side, right there. And then from here, you need to click on two-step verification. Once you're here in the two-step verification, then you can now click on add a new way to sign in or verify. Click on that, and from here click on use an app, and from here what you need to do is click on get it now. And from here, once you have downloaded the Microsoft Authenticator app already, then you can now click on next. And from here, what you need to do is to open your Microsoft Authenticator app right here. As you can see right here, I have mine. And from here, all you have to do is scan a QR code, tap on that one right here. And then from here, you need to allow the camera option. And then from here, all you have to do is just scan the code that popped up on your screen right here and click on, you can just click on allow for this one. And then from here, it would now be processing. And then you need to tap on allow again right there. Let's tap on allow. And let's see once it's done loading. And now, as you can see right here, you can now allow Authenticator to autofill, and then you can go on open settings. And then from here, you can just go for, back for this one right here. Actually, you can just skip this if you'd want to. And then just like that, you now have successfully added using your Microsoft Authenticator, and that is basically how you set it up. Now you can tap on finish because you are now all done. So that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.